Good morning, students. We will start our second chapter, chemical equations. In the last class, we have done balancing the chemical equation, and there we have studied a chemical change is nothing but a chemical reaction. Why we said a chemical reaction is a chemical change? Because there will be a new products will be formed, and these products we cannot convert them into the original substance. Hence a chemical reaction is called as a chemical change. Now let us say one more equation how to solve the balancing a chemical equation. Let us say PbNO3 taken twice gives PbO plus NO2 plus O2. This was the chemical reaction given to you. To balance this, we need to follow certain steps. First, if the given chemical equation, you need to say what are the elements in the given chemical equation. First, Pb stands for which symbol of the element? Lead. N stands for nitrogen. O stands for oxygen. Here also Pb, lead. O is for oxygen, N is for nitrogen, and again you have oxygens. Now, in order to balance this, it's an unbalanced chemical equation. We can also call, I told you, unbalanced chemical equation can also be called as skeletal equation. Okay? Now how to balance this? First write what are the elements. Pb, next N, next O. Okay? Again make a table. LHS, RHS. Say make boxes like this. Inside the box you are not supposed to change any number. Only outside the box you can keep the numbers in order to balance the chemical equation. Now look at here. Whenever we keep a brackets like this, N, nothing is there means 1. This 2 belongs to both nitrogen as well as oxygen. Look at here. First, this doesn't belongs to Pb. Only for NO3, this 2 belongs. Okay. How many Pb's are there? Only single. On the LHS side. Write 1. On RHS side, Pb is 1. Now look at nitrogens. Here, 1 into 2. This 2 belongs to nitrogen. Okay. 1 into 2, 2. Now look at here. Oxygens. 3 into 2. How much? 6. What are those? Oxygens those are. Listen carefully children. This 2 belongs only for nitrogen and oxygen, not for lead. 1 into 2 is 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Now look at for nitrogens on the RHS side. For nitrogen, how much is the number? 1. Hence 1. Now oxygens. Here look at here. 1 oxygen is here. 1. How many are there here? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 more are there. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Now, by looking at this table, Which one you need to balance? Either you can balance oxygen or nitrogen. Balancing of N atoms. Here N means nitrogen. Now look at here. Write the equation. Pb NO3 taken twice gives PbO plus NO2 plus O2. Which side you have less number of nitrogens? On the RHS side. See here, I need 2 nitrogens. Hence, where is my nitrogen? Here. I am keeping 2. Okay? Now again, make a table. PbNO. Again LHS, RHS. Look at here. Pb, how much? 1. Pb, 1. Nitrogens are 2. Nitrogens here, look at here. 2 nitrogens. Oxygens are 6. Now look at here. 1. 2 into 2. How much? 4. 4 plus 2. 6 plus 1. How many oxygens? 7 oxygens. Okay? Now next. What we need to balance? Balancing of which atoms? Oxygen atoms. Okay? Write the equation. PbNO3 taken twice gives PbO plus 2NO2 plus O2. I need how many oxygens? On the LHS side I got 6, but on the RHS I have 7. 2 into 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. Okay? On the LHS I require one more oxygen. What I am doing? I can't keep in between the Pb and NO3. Before I need to keep. Okay? Now look at here. Again make a table. PbNO. Again LHS and RHS. How many Pb's are there now? This 2 belongs to Pb also. Okay? How many Pb? 2. On the RHS 1. Now look at here. 1 into 2, 2 nitrogens. 2 into 2, 4 nitrogens. Following children? If I keep a number here, it belongs to whole compound. Okay? Hence 2 lead are there. 2 nitrogens, already 1 into 2, 2 are there. Again 2 here. 2 into 2, 4. Okay? Now how many oxygens? 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12 oxygens. Now look at 12 oxygens. Now come to RHS side. Nitrogens, how many? 2. Oxygens, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Again nitrogens are unbalanced. Again you write balancing of N atoms. Okay? How many more I require? I require on RHS. 2 PbNO3 taken twice gives PbO plus NO2, 2NO2 plus O2. Now how many more oxygen nitrogens I require? 2 more nitrogens. Hence totally I require 4. If I take out 2 from here now, if I place 4, how many nitrogens now? 4. Now again PbNO. Pb are 2. Here 1. Nitrogens are 2 into 2, 4. How many nitrogens? 4. Oxygens you see. 6 into 2, 12. Now come this side. Already 1 is here. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 10. 8 plus 2, sorry. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Yes or no? 4 into 2, 8. 8. Here plus 2. 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay? Now I am giving oxygens as 11. Now what are not balanced? Oxygens and lead also. Next look at the next one. Continuation only. Now balancing of Pb, that is lead atoms. Okay? Now look at here. 2 PbNO3 taken twice gives PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. How many less oxygens are there? And also lead I need 2. On the RHS side I need 2. Hence if I keep 2 here. Now look at here. How many leads are there here? If you want you make a table. PbNO. Okay? LHS, RHS. Look at here. How many lead? 2. How many leads are there? 2. Now look at nitrogens. 2 into 2, 4. Nitrogens how many? 4. Look at here now. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12 oxygens. Now come to the RHS side. How many here? 2. Here 1 no? 1 into 2, 2. Plus 4 into 2, 8. Here how many? Plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Is it balanced now? This is the way how to balance the chemical reaction. Okay children? If they give you like this number belongs to NO3. Okay? They can give you PbNO3 or let me show you CaNO3 taken twice. This 2 belongs to only this part NO3. If you keep any number before this compound 8 or 10, it belongs to whole elements. Okay? This is the way how to solve the given chemical reaction. These are important. For 4 marks answer they may give you in the final exam. Note down one equation for homework. In the textbook, at the back of the chapter equations are given. Let us do the one more balancing chemical reaction. Okay? Do this. C6H12 O6 gives C2H5 OH plus CO2. This is for your homework. Do this balancing the chemical reaction. C6H12O6 gives C2H5OH plus CO2. Carbon are there, hydrogens are there, oxygens are there. Children, listen. Here how many hydrogens means? 5 hydrogens. One more hydrogen is there. Totally on the RHS side you will have 6 hydrogens. Okay? 5 plus 1. 6 hydrogens are there. Okay? Try to solve this for your homework. Okay? Thank you, children.